Achieving permanent skin whitening with boiled potatoes at home. Skin whitening remedies have always been used for centuries, to allow the people to get rid of their tan and uneven skin tones by the help of such organic masks. Learn how to make the best permanent skin whitening mask at home. In this way, it can benefit the skin incredibly and also will inflict no harm at all. Watch the article and video for further to learn the methods to make such an organic mask with potatoes and baking soda. These are the steps that we need to follow. First of all, take a medium-sized potato and boil it fully. Add the potato into the bowl and mash it well together. Add in about 2 tablespoons of organic yogurt into it, and 1 teaspoon of organic honey into it. Add in the juice of 1 lemon into it. Add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda into it. Mix all the ingredients together into a thick, smooth paste. Now, apply the mask on the skin and massage well. Leave the mask to dry for a few minutes, then wash it off with water. Follow this recipe thrice a week for best skin whitening. So, here are the all steps which we must follow to make this permanent skin whitening mask with potatoes. Make sure to share this recipe as much as you can to help the skin with its issues and make it brighter once again.